Welcome to today's gratitude meditation. My name's Kendra with Ray Yoga. Get yourself comfortable and let's get started. Choose a position that's most comfortable to you, either sitting up straight or lying on the floor. Wherever you are, allow the eyes to close. Make any final, last adjustments that you need, moving into stillness. Begin to notice your breath, along with the small movements that happen in the body as you inhale and exhale. With each exhale, releasing further, letting go of more. Notice how your breath expands and creates space. With each breath, continue to soften the body, not only the surface, but also within. Soften into this moment without wanting to change anything. Give yourself permission to show up however you are in this moment. Gently bring your attention to the center of the chest. Notice as you breathe in, the chest expands. As you breathe out, the chest softens. Offer yourself compassion and love. Continue to draw your attention to the center of the chest. Notice how you feel. Accepting what arises in each moment. Experiencing your breath. Now bring to mind something you are grateful for. No need to think too hard. Simply allowing something to arise. Something simple. Hold this feeling of gratitude in your body. Your entire body filling up with gratitude. Softly, breathing deeply. Inhaling and exhaling through the nose. Inhale, feeling gratitude. Exhale, soften your body. Inhale, feeling gratitude, fill the body. Exhale, soften. Continue with this breath. Even saying in your mind, inhale, gratitude. Exhale, soften. Allow the body to once again breathe itself. Let any control of the breath fade away. Allow yourself to be grateful for this exact moment. This moment that you're taking for yourself. This moment is all we have. Feel gratitude for today. The entire body fills with gratitude. Inhale fully through the nose. Exhale through the mouth. Inhale fully through the nose. Exhale through the mouth. Slowly begin to find movement in the body, wiggling the fingers, wiggling the toes. Bring your attention back to the body. And when you feel ready, can allow the eyes to open. Thank you so much for joining me. I will see you in the next video.